the morning, I get up quick. I brush my teeth, that's the trick. I wash my face and get a clean start. Then I get dressed with all of my heart. Ready and smiling, off to the gate. I go to school, I can't be late. My day, it's my daily routine. The happiest day you have ever seen. We work and we play from start to the end. Every day is a good day, my friend. In the afternoon I come back home now. A little break with a simple boo. I have my snacks, some juice and a treat. I read a book and tap my 2 feet. Time to get moving to feel really great. So I exercise before it's too late. My day, it's my daily routine. The happiest day you have ever seen. We work and we play from start to the end. Every day is a good day, my friend. In the evening the stars start to show. I watch TV, but not for too slow. Then I do my homework before the dark night. I take a bath to make me feel right. Then I study English, just one last task. Ready for bed in my little sleep mask. That's my daily routine. My day!